multiple personalities. This is what the Marvel's character Moon Knight and the Triumph Tracker 400 have in common. One is a killing machine by the night and a simple common man by the day with a split personality that comes in the time of need, as is the case with the Tracker. Block pattern tires means it will go rough roading, right? An aggressive riding posture says otherwise. And there are a whole lot of the caveats. Today, let's decode them all and see what the Tracker 400 truly is. The Tracker is a head turner, and there's no denying that. The long slender fuel tank, the rear seat cowl, the rear panel with the number plate and the twin barrel exhaust paired with this gorgeous yellow paint scheme, it will evoke emotions every time you park the bike and force you to look at it. And the build quality too. It's synonymous with the other Triumph 400s. No complaints here. Now, let's get to business. GST 2.0 has affected the Tracker. It gets the same 349cc as the other Triumph 400s, although it makes slightly more power thanks to a different engine tune than the Speed and the Scrambler 400. Sure, like the other Triumph 350s, this engine is smooth across the rev range, but there is no fun character to this engine. Open the throttle and you will keep on waiting when the power surge will arrive. But after a while, you realize it never does. You can and will do highway speeds effortlessly. And even in the city, this is very tractable. But after hitting a set of twisties, you will start to wonder that the 50cc's that were robbed by the GST 2.0 would have created for more engagement. The name Tracker suggests that it can slide like a proper flat tracker, right? This is where the low and wide handlebar comes into play. Get into a proper flat tracking position and the bike feels right at home. Turn off the traction control and sliding is a child's play. But the only problem, the engine makes all its power higher in the rev range. That means you will have to open the throttle quite a bit to initiate a controlled slide. But not everyone has access to a controlled and secluded environment to go sliding. So the next best thing you do is hit a set of twisties. Show the bike some corners and it does not shy away. The taut wheelbase and the sporty suspension setup means it will inspire confidence. These block patterns, don't be fooled by them. They are bloody grippy and even in wet conditions, they do not lose composure.
The Eurogrip Trailhound SCR dual-purpose tires are a good option to consider to get a bit more all-round riding feel from the Triumph Tracker 400. Its tread design aims to increase traction on loose surfaces as well as deal with water dispensing in a neat manner. And the use of high silica compound ensures excellent grip regardless of the weather. Not to forget the synthetic fiber structure coupled with the finely tuned profile enhance riding in both city and open roads.
The Triumph Tracker truly shines when it's made to work, either it's sliding or riding twisties. Commuting, it is something that this does not want to do, and neither would you after riding it. The aggressive posture will take a toll on your body in the initial days, and the suspension, while it remains sporty, you will have to slow down for craters and bumps. As for the features, it gets the same set as the Speed 400. All LED lighting, switchable traction control, and a semi-digital instrument console. The only complaint, since it's meant to slide, Triumph should have allowed for the rear ABS to be turned off. Just like the Moon Knight, the Triumph Tracker 400 wants to be many things. A roadster, a flat tracker, or a borderline scrambler. Some might say a jack of all trades, but in this case, that's actually a good thing. It looks good, it handles well, and it can slide without even thinking twice. But considering its 2.46 lakh rupees price tag, this is where the things change. For a few thousand more, you can get the Gorilla, which is a far better overall bike. And for a few thousand less, you can get the Speed, which is a better and far more sorted commuter. And it can corner as well. So, who is the Tracker for? If you are someone that wants a head turner without spending the big bucks and will only do occasional weekend rides, the Tracker makes perfect sense. But just like the Moon Knight, it is a character which only a few will like. The story of the Tracker doesn't end here, because the next time it appears on this channel, a couple of his friends are also tagging along.